Nestled within the undulating tectonic formations, adjacent to an aspen grove in Wilson, Wyoming, lies a mountain retreat cherished by a couple hailing from California. This 35-acre haven, positioned at the Tetons foothills, showcases a tapestry of ecosystems. The landscape seamlessly transitions from ancient forests merging into youthful pine and aspen clusters, then cascading into expansive rolling meadows. The homeowners, also authors and proprietors of an indie record label based in Mill Valley, California, sought a nature-immersed sanctuary in Wyoming to cultivate their writing endeavors. Comprising 3 distinct edifices, the main residence, a guesthouse, and a writer's studio, the architecture ingeniously adapts to its natural surroundings. The 6,000-square-foot primary dwelling stands as a geological relic amidst the panorama, straddling the boundary between verdant fields and woodland. The guesthouse, spanning 1,577 square feet, and the 580-square-foot writer's studio nestle more intimately within the wooded enclave. A fourth structure, dedicated to spiritual pursuits, remains on the horizon, awaiting placement further south. Embracing an open design, the buildings offer panoramic vistas of the Grand Tetons, verdant foliage, woodlands, and expansive meadows. In a rectilinear layout, the main residence appears to anchor itself to the encircling trees, dipping at its core while soaring skyward at its corners. Seamlessly integrated with the landscape, this dynamic characteristic permeates the structure's charred sugi band exterior, manipulated to form alcoves and apertures. The home's entrance emerges where the edifice extends over a lowland creek, revealing their symbiotic relationship through a translucent moment in the flooring. Transitioning from the wooden exterior to the interior's luminescent Atlantic cedar, the design dissolves into subtle plaster and floor-to-ceiling glass panels. Each window frames a picturesque vista of the prairie and the majestic Teton Range. An east-facing fireplace stands in contrast to the scenic views, while an intimate courtyard allows the southern sunlight to permeate the heart of the dwelling. Apart from the communal kitchen, living, and dining spaces, the abode features 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a laundry room, and an expansive mudroom designed for the client's Irish wolfhounds. The material palette encompasses wood, steel, bronze, custom-cast white concrete, bleached cedar, and oversized slabs of travertine and onyx. Notably, Italian limestone adorns the primary bath's floors and serves as the centerpiece for the custom bathtub, meticulously sculpted from a single limestone block, creating a striking and monolithic design element. This project marks the second collaboration between the interior designer and the clients, the initial one being their residence in Mill Valley. The client's bohemian lifestyle, passion for music, literature, and the natural world, acted as the muse for the interior aesthetics. Their penchant for comfort, textured layers, vintage pieces, and an inviting atmosphere for family and friends, coupled with a relaxed environment for their dogs, guided every design choice. Artisanal intricacies grace every surface, from the custom-designed bas relief concrete on the fireplace surround, hand-painted wallpaper murals inspired by tattoos, to the consistent geometric motifs interwoven throughout the design. Earthy tones, punctuated by accents of mustard, blush, and deep burgundy, are complemented by curated collectibles, vintage discoveries, and contemporary artwork, defining a space that resonates with their unique style.